This is a training video for AP 13708 to assist you with the process for doing lumen edits on Celix. In your portal, you will have this video plus 2 documents. We have a user manual if you get stuck on anything and you need to reference it, and you have your logbook here. On this spreadsheet, the first tab is the instructions. You can read through these. It will be gone. Everything will be in this video. In the walls for completion tab, you can start by assigning yourself a case and copying in the patient ID into Celix. Click to open the study. You'll be going through each of these vessels and editing lumens. If we start with the LAD, the first thing you need to do is work out how far down you need to edit. The cutoff for this project is 1.5 millimeters. So once you pass 1.5 millimeters, if it is smaller, you do not need to edit the rest of the lumen. If we scroll down to the bottom and use the measuring tool, you can see, imagine it's pretty much at 1.5, but imagine it was 1.3. You wouldn't do this portion. You would scroll up to where it's bigger, and this would be your end point. For this project, you also only need to do the inner lumen and not the outer wall or plaque. You can begin the wall edits by going into the wall editing tool. It's best to turn on the interpolation so it adjusts the slices above and below. You can just click and drag these dots to create a nice circle of lumen, and you can ignore the outer wall. You can also use this other view to get you started. Once you have completed your edits to this lumen, you'd click Save. I'm going to click Cancel so I don't make any changes. And once you have completed and saved, just write yes for completed on this vessel. Some vessels are smaller and don't require any editing, such as this vessel here. It might be less than 1.5 millimeters the whole way down. 0.79. In this case, you'd write no, and then less than 1.5 millimeters as a comment to show why you didn't complete that vessel. Once you have finished the whole case, please write in the minutes per case time. This is useful for forecasting. You can use the comments to write anything if there was some trouble, just to alert me. And after this has been completed, I will give you some feedback if there's anything to fix. So if you could try and everyone do 2 training cases as soon as possible, and then I will populate more cases as they become available and hide the ones that have been completed. Please let me know if you have any issues or any questions. I'm happy to assist.